Hello class. If you've been watching the lessons in sequence, then by now you know what academic dishonesty is and why you should avoid it. You also know how to use the library resources to find information for your writing assignments. In the next 5 lessons, we'll look at plagiarism and how to avoid it. Today's lesson is about reading and note-taking. These help prevent plagiarism. What does plagiarism mean? Plagiarism is stealing someone's words or ideas. Even if you change a few words, it's stealing. Suppose I steal your car. What if I put new tires on it? Does that make it mine? Plagiarism can also happen by accident, but accidental plagiarism is penalized too. How can I know if he meant to plagiarize or not? After all, I'm not going to force you to confess. So I have to treat all plagiarism the same. And think about your future employer.
Tune in at 6 to find out which local corporation is being sued for copyright infringement.
If you steal an idea for work, it can mean big trouble. It can cost a company millions. Better reading skills can help you avoid plagiarism, though. Let's see what that means. Read actively. Preview the article or chapter and ask yourself these questions. What is the subject? How is the text organized? When was it published? What does the source tell you about the author? What do you know about the topic already? You might know more than you think. You might even know a lot. What do you need to find out? How do you feel about the topic? Next, skim quickly the first time you read. Pay attention to headings. Some books and articles will also have sidebars, an introduction, and a conclusion that you should note. Now read again more slowly. Underline or highlight as you go if you own the book, or make photocopies to mark if you don't own it. As you read, take notes. Writing requires more thought than just highlighting. Summarize. You need to capture all the main ideas. We'll talk more about summarizing in a later lesson. These are in the headings and subheadings, and often the first or last sentences of the paragraphs. Don't forget to write your own response. You might write things like, what evidence does the author use? Perhaps there are charts, statistics, diagrams, that sort of thing. How is it organized? Does the author begin with general points and then work to more specific points? Or does the author build to a climactic point? Or maybe the points proceed in chronological order. Remember to record the necessary information: the author's name, the title of the source, the page number, and always make sure that you punctuate quotes. To recap, read carefully and thoroughly. Take thoughtful, complete notes to avoid plagiarism. Good luck! Please feel free to ask questions. You can ask for help after class or during your instructor's office hours. You can use a quality website such as the Purdue University OWL or visit our free tutors at the Academic Success Center.